How to create a Facebook cover photo in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Canva application. So let's wait for a few seconds and wait until Canva loads us to the main page of the Canva application on the device itself. So now as it loads the main page of the Canva application, we might have to wait a few more seconds to get it loaded over here. Now what you can simply do over here is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, or you can simply select for the templates over here. You can select on the social media option, and what we can do is we can simply select on Facebook. So as you tap on Facebook, you can select Facebook cover over here as well. So let's select on Facebook cover. And as you tap on Facebook cover, so it will slowly start to take us to the main page. As we select on the Facebook cover, it will give us the correct design, correct size for the Facebook cover as well. So what you simply need to do is tap on the design over here and add the pictures that we want to make the Facebook cover for. So we're gonna select any of the random pictures over here. So I'm gonna select from the option of element. So I'm gonna just create some designs over here for the Facebook cover story. So let me just search in for some pictures. So let's search for it. I'm gonna search for flowers over here. So let's search for it over here, and let's just select any random pictures over here. So I'm gonna select on one of these pictures. As we do that, you can simply just drag it. You can keep it the size that you would want. So let's drag it over here, and then you can just save it, and you'll be able to create a Facebook cover photo in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.